Hello and welcome. My name is Gino Barbaro. I'm one of the co-founders of Barbaro 360 and the proud author of Happy Money, Happy Family, Happy Legacy. It's an honor and a privilege to be your coach throughout this journey that I call the money journey. Now, you may be saying to yourself, Gino, why did you write a book on money? I had a company called Jake and Gino, and for years, I taught students how to buy multifamily. And I saw some students who really had no business being successful buy hundreds and hundreds of apartment units. And I saw other students that were super qualified, that had tons of money, they had, all the capital they needed, and they were the ones who struggled. And I soon realized that it came down to a person's relationship with money. I had struggled early on with my relationship with money. Once I understood what money was and how to utilize it, I started becoming very successful in my entrepreneurial journey. And that's why I wrote this book. Now, the reason why you're going to be watching these videos, it's all about the relationship that you have with money. I want to be able to challenge your beliefs about money. I want to share my struggles that I've had with money, the epiphanies and the learnings that I've had through the Jake and Gino platform and through Barbaro 360. I want to incorporate family. How do you create a happy family? How do you teach your kids these principles? And ultimately, it's about the legacy that we leave. Now, the legacy can be broken down into the financial legacy, which is great. We want to leave money to the next generation. But more importantly, we want to teach them to become stewards of that money. And we also want to leave them our values. We want to really be able to help them once they receive all of this financial money and this knowledge and the values going to the next generation. Once again, it's an honor and a privilege to have you on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video.